This drive takes us through Westchester, Ohio, to one of the most historically important broadcast sites in the world, the Voice of America Museum of Broadcasting, located on the grounds of what was once known as the Bethany Relay Station. The USS Cincinnati submarine Cold War memorial construction is seen here on the right of the driveway. Looks like it will be ready to open by early 2026. The Voice of America was created in 1942 as part of America's response to propaganda during the war. At a time when much of the world was cut off from free press, these broadcasts gave people access to truthful reporting and messages of hope. The transmitters in Bethany were capable of reaching nearly every continent. This facility was one of only a few high-power Voice of America transmission sites built during World War II. Using technology that was cutting edge for its time, the Bethany Relay Station remained active through the Cold War, sending out programs in dozens of languages. It was a symbol of communication, connection, and the belief that access to information was a cornerstone of freedom. After the station was retired in 1994, a group of local historians and volunteers transformed the site into what is now the Voice of America Museum of Broadcasting. Inside, visitors can explore the original transmission equipment, see historic VOA programming archives, and learn how engineers and journalists worked together to bring truth to the airwaves. From here, powerful shortwave radio signals carried news, music, and messages of freedom to millions of listeners around the world. The museum also includes the Media Heritage Center, which documents Cincinnati's deep ties to radio and television history, and the Cincinnati Museum of Broadcast History, showcasing vintage microphones, studio cameras, and broadcast memorabilia from across the decades. Outside, the massive radio towers that once stretched for miles are now gone, but the heart of the facility remains. A powerful reminder of how this quiet patch of Ohio farmland played a global role in defending free speech. Today, the museum stands as both a tribute and a classroom, teaching future generations about the power of communication and the importance of integrity in journalism. The Voice of America Museum continues to inspire those who visit, reminding us that freedom is best preserved when truth can be heard by all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.